this is Jeff with Off Leash Canine Training in Middle Tennessee, and here I have with me Zooey. Owners don't really know exactly what she is, just a mix of some hunting dog breeds. She's here for a 2-week board and train program. She has had 2 initial pre-board and train lessons with me, so she has a pretty decent understanding of basic commands, but she does counter surf at home, and we just need to touch up on some things, some different commands. So let's see what Zooey knows as of day 1 before the actual board and train. Zooey, come. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Down. Downs are a little so-so here. Down. Down. She knows how. Down. And she will offer sometimes. Down. Good girl. Let's see if I can walk away. Walk around her. Gets up. Kind of nervous about me getting behind her. She is a little nervous with new people. Let's see this. Zooey. Place. Good. Sit. Good girl. What about this one? Down. Down on here? Yeah, okay. Good. Break. We do have to work on her confidence. That's a bigger thing. Let's see this one. More manners. Sit. Good girl. We've been working quite a bit, so she's been here. I've been at her house. So she's had some practice. Good girl. Good. Let's see how she's walking. This is probably the main thing that she needs help with, so let's check that out. Good girl. Yeah. Heel. Now granted, there are no distractions here. We're in the facility. Heel. There are some pictures of dogs on the wall that she's kind of fixating on. Heel. She needs some work tightening some things up. So that's what Zooey knows as of day 1. I can't wait to show you what she's going to learn after the board and train.